We are here with Recover Tactical and a brand new product called the PFA. Now, some of you own and remember the original PIX that came out 2 years ago. That is a conversion kit. You put your Glock inside, and this is an upgrade for it that will make it a non-NFA item. As you can see, it's full AR-15 length. So the PFA consists of several parts. Let's go from the front to the back. Comes with a flash hider, a 16-inch barrel. Better to see it here. As mentioned, the 16-inch barrel will make this whole kit a non-NFA item. The front adapter that covers it, and of course the PIX and the different accessories that it can come with. You can place obviously a magazine inside. Also into the pistol grip called the PG9, you have an extra magazine there. You can mount optics, Picatinny rails. You have the M-LOK slots on the sides. Pretty much an awesome kit with a lot of real estate. You converted your Glock into a non-NFA item, a true carbine, AR-15 style.